To set up a guest Wi-Fi network on Xfinity, you will first need to select the Add Wi-Fi Network option on your device. This will prompt a screen with options for either a guest or private network. Choose the guest option. Next, enter your preferred Wi-Fi network name, which will be visible to your guests so they can connect to the network. Below this, select Open from the security options, and then click Save. After saving, enable the newly created guest network on your device. The guest Wi-Fi network is typically left unsecured, but you can choose to secure it with a common password if desired. Xfinity Internet plans also include access to Wi-Fi hotspots, as well as enhanced security features at no extra cost, allowing you to connect from anywhere. Additionally, you can register up to 10 devices on your account to access these Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspots. Setting up a guest Wi-Fi network on Xfinity is a straightforward process that provides a convenient and public network for your guests to use.